If you're preparing for CELPIP in 2026 and still starting the same old way, the video is extremely important for you because today AI has completely changed how smart candidates prepare for CELPIP. Not by cheating, not by shortcuts, by faster feedback, better practice and smarter study plans. In this video, I'll show how AI can support your CELPIP preparation, where it helps the most and how to use AI safely and effectively in real exam performance. Also, stay till the end because this can save your weeks of trial and errors. So let's start with the big picture. AI cannot replace your effort, but it can replace guesswork. And in CELPIP preparation, guessing is what wastes the most time. It supports CELPIP preparation in 4 powerful ways, and I'll break each of one clearly. First, AI mock test and instant scoring. One of the biggest problem with CELPIP preparation is your practice, but you don't know how good or bad your answer actually is. Today, many CELPIP style platforms use AI to create realistic mock tests. They look like the real computer-based exam. Same format, same timing, same pressure. The biggest advantage, reading and listening are auto-scored instantly. You finish the test and immediately see your score, your weak areas, your approximate CLB level. For speaking and writing, AI can estimate your level, giving you a realistic idea of where you stand. This instant feedback allows you to adjust your strategy quickly instead of wasting week or waiting for few more days. Now let's talk about speaking feedback, where AI is extremely powerful. Speaking is the most difficult skill to evaluate by yourself. You may feel confident, but examiners may hear problems you don't notice. AI speech recognition tools can record your answers and analyze your pronunciation, fluency, speed, pauses, clarity. Some platforms simulate all 8 CELPIP tasks. You speak, the AI listens, and then it tells you if you spoke too fast or too slow, if your pronunciation affected clarity, if your response stay on the task. This is especially useful for the task like giving advice, expressing opinions, comparing opinions. AI helps you see patterns, not just mistake. And that is how real improvement happens. Now let's talk about writing evaluation and corrections. Writing is another area where students overestimate their level. AI writing tools can evaluate grammar, spelling, punctuation, coherence, task completion. You can paste your answer, either task 1 email or task 2 opinion answer, and receive sentence level corrections, suggestions for better paragraphing, improved linking words, tone adjustments. For example, AI can tell you this sounds too formal for a CELPIP email, or this paragraph needs a clear example. So you can rewrite your answer then and compare with the previous one. This rewrite compare method is one of the fastest ways to improve your writing scores. Now let's talk about one of the most underrated benefits of AI, personalized study plans and weak area targeting. Most students study everything equally. There is a mistake. AI-powered system track which question types you miss, which skills are weakest, where your scores drop. If you struggle with reading for viewpoints, listening for discussion, speaking task 5, AI can automatically give you more practice in exactly those are. Some tools are even create daily routines like 15 minutes reading part 4, 10 minutes speaking task 6, 5 minutes vocabulary. As your score changes, the plan adjusts. This is smart preparation, not hard preparation. So let's talk about vocabulary, templates and micro practice. Consistency is one of the hardest things in CELPIP preparation. AI tools make consistency easier. You can ask AI to generate topic-based vocabulary list. Yes. Create sample CELPIP emails exactly. Provide opinion answers at target CLB. You can also request 5-minute daily drills such as speaking prompts, writing ideas, everyday new words, vocabulary, synonym list. This is perfect for busy candidates. Small daily practice beats long irregular study sessions. Now, this part is very important. How to use AI safely and effectively. AI feedback is a guide, not a final score. Only official CELPIP examiners decide your real CLB. Never copy AI generated speaking and writing answers word to word. If you do that, your language becomes unnatural. Your speaking sounds memorized. Your writing loses personality. Instead, use AI to learn structure, organization, tone, vocabulary patterns, then produce your own response. This keeps your English natural and exam safe. Let's bring everything together. AI can help you prepare CELPIP by providing realistic mock tests, giving instant feedback, improving speaking and writing, targeting weak areas, and keeping you on consistency. But AI is a tool, not a shortcut. If you use it wisely, it becomes your personal CELPIP coach. If you like this video, hit on like and subscribe to my channel for more CELPIP videos.